Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing really good. So for this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I do like these voluminous beachy waves, you know? Beachy waves where my hair doesn't feel like it has so much shit in it, but more so like it still feels really nice and soft, natural, all that jazz. First off, I'm gonna be talking about the products that I definitely use in this video to get this look. So to start off first, I'm just gonna talk about what products I put in my hair. I have not been putting on heat protectant. Why? Because I'm out, I don't have it. That's actually not a good thing, especially for someone who has dyed hair. Like my hair, definitely I've bleached it multiple times, so you would think that I need to be putting on, well, you would think that I would be putting on a heat protectant, but I don't. So definitely for you, I recommend you to obviously put on a heat protectant before doing this style. That way your hair stays nice and soft, and you don't get any split ends due to the iron or the straightener, whatever you choose to use. As for the first product, I'm just going to be mentioning the type of hairspray that I use. I just use the L'Oreal Paris hairspray, the Boosted, the one that's purple. And the reason why I like this one a lot is, one, because of the way that my hair tends to smell like within a couple hours. Like if I was to sweat or something, I know my hair would smell good, so it would automatically make me smell good. So I love the smell. It's your basic like instant type of voluminous type of hairspray. It has a number 3 type of hold, so it's right in the middle. It's not too light nor too heavy, so that's kind of something that you want to go towards if you want hold in your hair, but you obviously don't want it to feel like super crispy and stuff like that. So number 3, it's great for back combing. That's probably one of the reasons why I got this hairspray in the first place, is because I usually tend to back comb my hair to obviously give my hair more volume and more lift. So definitely recommend this one. The second one that I use, well, I only use 2 products, the hairspray and this one. This one is Nature's Feel. This one was actually given to us by one of our really good friends who is a barber. It's literally certified organic. It doesn't have a weird smell. It actually reminds me of the tea tree oil, but it's because I'm guessing that it does have tea tree oil. No, it actually doesn't have tea tree oil, but it does have peppermint oil and lemon oil, which gives it the smell as if it were to be tea tree. But I will read you the ingredients that it has. That way, if you're more towards like just using the natural side of products, this one would be a really great one. But it has
organic almond oil, organic argan oil, organic avocado oil, almond oil, brahmi oil, brinjari oil, I don't know how to pronounce that one, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, hibiscus oil, jojoba oil, lemon oil, olive oil, peppermint oil, rose oil, sesame oil, and sunflower oil.
So this is definitely very natural, and it does have some certifications back here, and you can definitely find them on Instagram, I believe, on Nature's Feel Co. It's also certified vegan. I will be listing the websites and everything for these 2, just in case you want to order them online or something. I will be listing the links down below in the description box, like I always do. I actually apply this one all over my body. I love how it makes my skin feel. And not just that, it makes my skin glow too. So like if I was to go take a photo or something, like my skin would look nice and glowy. I love it. Oh, and it does say it helps hydrate, nourish, and restore the hair. So now, as for the actual type of iron straightener that I use. I actually use the Irresistible Me Diamond flat iron to get these waves, these beachy waves. I usually set it at 350. I don't know if you guys can see it, but at 350. I really like this one because when you go to turn it off, it turns off and you can actually see that it's off. But then when you go to turn it on, the green light turns on. Now, there are two little arrows right here, just in case you wanted to like make the volume go up. It will also show you the temperature. So like right now it starts off at 328 degrees. So the higher I go, also the higher this goes. So the highest it goes is 450. So you'll obviously see that this entire thing is on, so it'll show you at what level of heat it's on. So this was actually sent to me by Irresistible Me. You guys do know that in one of my previous videos they had sent me extensions, and I loved them. I loved them so much. Like, I was very impressed with the quality of hair. So when they like reached out to me wanting to have me try this, I was like, why the hell not? So yeah, it's great. I love it. Like, it's a really good flat iron. If you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then definitely just keep on watching.